Hi, my name is Loungo Pitse. I am 23 years old. I am a young Botswana who is very dedicated and eager to learn. I am a television presenter by professional, and I love acting as well, but my heart actually lies in front of the camera. Television presenting has always been a part of me, and I'm learning every day to drown out the constant noise that is such an inseparable part of my life. Me being in front of the camera and interacting with the people out there, it's a way of me communicating and say, hey, I am here and I'm here to stay. But with your votes and your help, I can actually live out my dream, which means I will be able to pay it forward to the next generation or the world that comes after me. So make sure that you vote for me, because the Academy Awards, the Grammy Awards, and all these major shows are waiting for this face to be on the screen. My name is Loungo once again, and thank you for the opportunity. Welcome, we are back, Gemstone, back for season 2, baby. We're looking for the best among the rest. And hey, this is a pre-party before any party, so you better tell a friend to tell a friend that Gemstone is back in the building right here every Saturday on BTV6, smack on the DOT. My name is Loungo, and I will be your host for the next 13 episodes to come right here in Botswana, and it's going to be a fantastic journey. Plus, on top of that, we'll be giving away 20 VIP double tickets to the launch party that's going to be happening on the 21st and the 22nd at the Grand Palm Hotel. Coming up, we'll be talking up close and personal with those people who have made this incredible journey happen. Sit back and relax, Gemstone. Let's rock.